The next tool that we have is called Loop Cuts, and it allows us to add additional geometry wherever we want on our object. So let's zoom in and tap into edit mode. You can press Ctrl R and it's going to give you a preview where you're adding this edge loop, and then you can hover your cursor on different edges to see where you want to add this. Now, you can left click once and it's going to add that loop cut, but then it gives you control to position it once you sort of get or add this, and then you can position it. But in this case, I don't want to move it anywhere. I just want to sort of add this exactly in the center of the previous edge. So I can right click to cancel the movement, and it's going to add exactly there in the center. Let's press Ctrl Z. When you press Ctrl R to add these loop cuts, you can use your mouse scroll wheel to increase the number of cuts that you want to add. If you want to be more precise, you can press type the value on your keyboard. So if I press 10 on the numpad, you can see how I'm able to add 10 loop cuts very easily. Again, it shows you a preview, and when you left click, it adds it there, but then it gives you the option to position these, and then if you position these and press left click, it's going to add it wherever you positioned it. But if you press Ctrl R and then let's type in 10, left click once, it's going to add these, but then if you right click, it's going to add it exactly where it previewed the edge loops there. So this is a very good way to quickly add more detail to your model. For example, if I want to add 2 loop cuts this way, I can just do it like that, and then I can sort of modify the shape. Maybe I want to sort of bevel this, extrude it inwards like that. So I can do all that sort of stuff very easily and quickly.